Importance of organizing. This can also be said as significance of organizing. So organizing now, it is a clear part for you that without that a smooth flow of transaction cannot be taken place in the organization. So in different ways organization is considered to be a very important one. So the first thing is benefits of specialization. So through organizing the work to each and every individual person, so they get responsible and they have the habit of doing the work on regular basis. So he is getting specialized in one particular task, and that through that he gains experience, and that leads to reduces the workload of one individual person. So because of organizing, each and every task is being divided to different persons. So when they start doing the work as their routine in the organization, so even the workload is being reduced and they get specialized in one particular task. Number 2, clarity in working relationship. So they also get a clear idea of the task that is to be done and to whom they are supposed to give the report also. And this kind of information removes ambiguity in transferring the information and instruction from one person to other person. So once a clear idea of to whom the worker is being responsible to and to whom he should get the instructions from, so this removes different types of confusions, and it helps in creating a hierarchical order. So that is either from the top level to the lower level, or from lower level to the topmost level. So to whom they are responsible to whom they are specifically get instructions from. So all these things are giving a clear idea on working relationship. Number 3, optimum utilization of resources. So organizing also leads to proper usage of all the raw materials that is available in the organization, finance, and also the human resources. So these three are considered to be an important one for better production in the organization. So without raw materials, financing, and human resources, any kind of working cannot be made into a possible one. So the proper assigning of a job to each and every individual person, it avoids overlapping of work also, and this also provides the best results to the organization. Point number 4, adaptation to change. So the process also implements to accommodate or adapt to the change according to the business environment and the dynamic environment. So each and every cases environments situation keeps on changing. So when they start getting changed to one particular case, so they get adapted and they get the habit of modifying and changing their own methodology of work. So it also provides stability in the work, and through that stability and through that adaptation of changes, they can continue their organization level of survival and growth for a quite long period of time. Point number 5, effective administration. So, organizing also provides a clear description of job to each and every individual people and their own related duties, that what all the work they are supposed to, what is their own rights and duties, and everything is being implemented and given instruction in a clear manner. So this avoids confusion in the organization. So clarity of work when it is being given, so it provides a smooth way of implementing and executing the work in a proper manner. Sixth point, development of personnel. So each and every person take manager itself, and he is being given his own way of creativity among the managers. So he can also implement the work in his own creativity, and this makes to reduce the workload of the person. in assigning the job in a routine manner. So the once the work has been delegated to different persons, the manager's workload is also been reduced, and delegation of work makes the work to get completed in a fast manner. Seventh point, expansion and growth. So organizing also helps in expanding the growth and work of the organization. So once all the work has been delegated and everything has been going on in a smooth manner, obviously it gives a profit to the organization, and through that they can expand their own organization in an international way also. So by this they can also take up new challenges, and this is how organizing provides a better way for the organization. So hence organizing is the process by which the manager brings out his own ideas, his own creativity, his own thinking, and by this he removes conflicts among the people, those who are working in the organization, and he also takes the responsibility of taking care of the organization and creating an environment in a suitable for a better teamwork.